Here at Haven, we often hear a lot of different questions about wood stoves. One of the biggest questions we hear, will this stove heat my house? It's a great question, and honestly, one of the most important ones to answer before choosing a stove. The short answer is, it can, but it depends on a few key factors. The biggest ones are your home square footage, insulation quality, ceiling height, floor plan, and where will the stove be located. What I like to do is look at the stove's BTU output and heating range, and then compare that to your home's layout. For example, a stove rated at 1,800 square feet can absolutely heat that amount of space, but it will perform very differently in an open ranch versus a 2-story home with a lot of separated rooms. You'll also want to think about how you want it to heat. Whether you're looking for a primary heat source for most of the house, or a strong zone heater that makes your main living area extremely comfortable while supplementing the rest. At Haven, we recommend what we call a pre-site. What we do is we come together with you and walk through your existing home layout, look at placement options, expectations. That way, we can match you with the stove that delivers the comfort you're hoping for, rather than just relying on numbers on a brochure.